Hi guys, I'm Abby J. I'm excited to join you today at the Ingles table right here at our farm at Black Hawk on the beautiful Sequoia River. Spring is here and there's nothing fresher and tastier than my strawberry and asparagus salad. Ingles has everything we need to make this amazing dish, so let's have a little fun in the kitchen and let's get started. I already have 2 cups of my spring mix here in a bowl, and I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh strawberries. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of spring onion, 2 tablespoons of broccoli sprouts. This is going to be really fresh. And I'm going to top this off with some feta and sea salt almonds. This is really tasty. I can already smell the really nice flavors coming off of this. And the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a juice of a half a lemon, but go to the Ingles table and get my cooking tip on how I get the most juice out of my lemons. And so we're going to do this, and we're going to add this to 2 tablespoons of honey. And I'm going to add just a tablespoon or so of Laura Lynn olive oil. We're going to whisk this really good. This lemon makes this salad so delicious and fresh. And then we're just gonna pour this right over this. And as you see, as we toss this, I'm gonna toss this, and then we're gonna top it off with some steamed asparagus. I steamed this for about 5 minutes. And this gives it so much texture and flavor as well. And so you just mix all these wonderful flavors together, like so. There it is. It's my favorite springtime salad. It's so wonderful, fresh, and thanks so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Explore the site and check out some of my recipes, tips, and tricks. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.